For this lesson, you need to open the sample file The World's Fastest Cars 9 from your Sample Files folder. In this lesson, we'll insert some very wordy text descriptions for 3 of the cars. Now, to save you time in typing these descriptions, I've put them in a Word document. So we'll need to now open Word and open the Word document. Because I'm using Windows 8, I'll click on the Start button at the bottom left of my screen and then begin to type W-O-R on the keyboard. And you can see the icon there for Word 2013. So I'll click to open Word. I want to open a file called Car Descriptions that's in your Sample Files folder. So I'll click the Open Other Documents button, Computer, Browse, and I'll navigate to the Sample Files folder, which you'll find on the C drive, and the folder's called Practice. There's Essential 2013 Essential Skills, there's Session 3, and there's the Car Descriptions Word document. So I'll double-click to open this in Word. And you can see the descriptions for the 3 cars, the Shelby, the Celine, and the Pagani. Notice that there are now 2 icons on the taskbar, a Word icon and an Excel icon. I'll click the Excel icon to return to Excel. When you enter a comment into a cell, a name is placed at the top of the comment box. By default, that's your Windows username. And that's the reason you'll often see cryptic usernames like jsmith93 in other people's comments. But we'll personalize our comment name so that it's meaningful and descriptive. I'll click File, and then Options, and then General from the left-hand menu bar. And in the Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office section, you can see my username. Well, it's quite a good username already, because msmart is my Windows login name. But let's personalize it anyway and change it to Mike Smart. And then I'll click the OK button. Now I'm going to enter the first of my comments. And you may remember that's the Shelby SSC Ultimate Aero. So I'll click in cell B4. Now I'll right-click and select Insert Comment from the shortcut menu. And there's the name that I've just personalized at the top of my comment. Now I need the text for the Shelby, so I'll click the Word icon on the bottom taskbar to move to Word. Then I can select the Shelby text, right-click and copy, click the Excel icon to move back to Excel, and right-click inside the comment box and paste. And all of the text is now inside the comment box. But you can see that the comment box is far too small to display all of the text. But notice that there are sizing handles on the corners and sides of the box. I'm going to hover the mouse cursor over the bottom right corner sizing handle until it changes to the 2-headed arrow cursor shape. Then I'll click and drag the mouse to make the box a lot bigger. That's actually not bad, perhaps just a little bit shorter. Now I'll add a comment in a similar way for my second car. That's the Celine S7. So I'll click in cell B7 to make this the active cell, and then right-click and select Insert Comment from the shortcut menu. Then I'll click the Word icon on the bottom taskbar. I'll select the Celine text, and then right-click and copy. I'll then return to Excel by clicking the Excel icon, and I think I'll paste in a different way this time by using the shortcut key Ctrl-V. So I hold down Ctrl on the keyboard and press the V key. Once again, I'll resize the comment box by taking that bottom corner sizing handle and making the box a more reasonable size. Just a little bit taller, and that looks good. And the final Carter comment was the Pagani Zonda. So I'll click in cell B11, right-click and insert comment. I'll move to Word by clicking the Word icon. I'll highlight the Zonda text, right-click and copy. Then I'll return to Excel by clicking the Excel icon, and I'll right-click and paste to paste the text into the comment box. Now I'll make the comment box a more appropriate size using one of the sizing handles. And I've now added 3 comments to my worksheet. Notice that when a comment's added to the worksheet, a little red triangle appears in the top right corner of the commented cell. I'll hover the mouse now over the Shelby arrow, and you can see that the comment pops up. Now I'll hover over the Celine comment, and now I'll hover over the Zonda comment. All that remains for this lesson is to save your work, and I'll save with the new name, The World's Fastest Cars 10. And as usual, I'll save to the folder above my sample files folder. I click the Save button, and you've now completed lesson 3.9, Insert Cell Comments.